Today is laundry day on the road. Take two. Today is laundry. Welcome, fellow adventurers, to our little spot on the internet. Join us as we explore our world.
Follow along as we share our adventures on the roads less traveled.
Just a truck, a trailer, and we three. Come along. Today is laundry day on the road, and we're always contemplating whether or not to put a washer and dryer into a trailer and the new one, but we've always found out that it's just actually easier to stop at a laundromat, and we do a lot of Google reviews and Yelp reviews to find them, and then we get it all done in a pretty quick timeline. Instead of taking hours or all day to do small little loads, we do them all in one shot. So we look for big laundromats with lots of washers. Key here is remember that the big washers cost more. The little washing machines. So the big laundry machines cost more to wash, and the smaller ones take less money to wash the loads. It just depends on how big a load you want to do. So here we go. We're headed into the laundromat to do some laundry. First, got to pull the sheets off the bed and get all that stuff clean too. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Washing one thing by itself. Yeah.
You're washing one thing? That doesn't seem very effective.
Hup. Oh, toxic waste.
Toxic cat waste.
Ew. So I guess the Downy Protect odor defense will come in really handy in that point. No, we're not sponsored by Downy. So this is why we do this. We can get it done quicker. So it looks like Dawn's taken up all 6 laundry washing machines, and we haven't even pulled the sheets off the bed yet. And so just like that, what, about 2 hours?
Yeah.
Hour and a half?
Hour and a half. All laundry done.
And so that's an easy way to get the laundry done, other than doing it in the tiny washers and dryers that come in the units. And it's just an easy way to get it done. I think we prefer it that way. Anyway, until next time, can you say wash your shorts?